So for today's video, I kind of want to just do a little decluttering refresh of my kitchen. I have minimized and decluttered and got rid of a lot of my kitchen in the past, but I just feel like we need to do it again. There's been a few months since we did that, and I just kind of want to do an everyday declutter and also just pick up of the whole kitchen. We're going to go through all of the cabinets, all the drawers, and just kind of do a quick little pickup. I'm not going to take everything out like I did in the first Minimize With Me in my kitchen, but I'm gonna just be quickly kind of going through everything just so we can keep up a tidy space inside of our cabinets, inside of our drawers, and not just outside. Here's a little overview of what we're starting with in the kitchen today. There's a lot of random stuff on the counters, like new home decor and just other things that need to be cleared off before we start working on the inside of the cabinets. I'll do an actual wipe down at the very end, but this is just kind of a quick cleanup so we have more room to work when we're going through the cabinets. Here's my little basket that's going to collect everything that I'm donating. I'll take this around the kitchen with me, and as I go through it, I can keep everything that I'm getting rid of tidy in here so it's not just sprawled out all over the counters and the floor. Baby, I gotta hand you some stuff. I'm gonna be honest, I was not feeling like I wanted to do this today, so you know me, I had to jam out to some music and I just threw myself a little dance party as I started cleaning. Honestly, I don't think anyone is ever in the mood to clean, and what I've learned is if you wait to feel motivated or feel like you're in the mood to clean, you will never do it. Girl, let me tell you something. You will never feel motivated to do something that you simply don't want to do. Who wants to clean their house? Who wants to go through their cabinets and drawers? I mean, I don't. And you're never going to want to, you just have to. We don't have a choice. If we want to live in a happy home, we have to pick up after ourselves and keep our home clean. So we have to put in the effort whether we want to or not. And that's why I like to make it as fun as possible for myself by having a dance party to make it a more enjoyable experience rather than a dreadful one. We decided to donate all of our kids' plates that are plastic and just really bright colored because one, we never use them, and two, we're slowly trying to steer away from plastics and start gravitating towards more natural products. So the only time we use these plates are when all the other plates are dirty, and then it just takes up more room in the sink. We're also kind of forced to do the dishes when we don't have as many plates, because if we don't do the dishes, we don't have anything to eat off of. So all around, it's just better if we don't have as many plates. Pause for a second. You guys know how much I love maintaining a healthy lifestyle all over, so I love my vitamins. You guys know that about me. Thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. So Ritual is a vitamin company. I personally have the essential vitamins for women, and this is the 18+ one. These are so yummy. They have this mint coating around them, so it's super refreshing going down, and it just kind of wakes you up a little bit. It's vegan friendly, non-GMO, project verified, gluten-free, major allergen-free, without extras and artificial colorants. These babies give you 9 key nutrients in just taking 2 capsules. These are designed to support foundational health with key nutrients to support brain health, bone health, blood building, and antioxidant support. I love how these guys are actually made traceable, so you know exactly where they're coming from and what's going in them. If you don't love Ritual, after 30 days, they will refund your money with no questions asked. Thanks again to Ritual for sponsoring today. You can use the QR code on the screen to get 30% off of your first month, or you can click the link down below and type in the coupon code KenzieMac30. I am going to take some of these and then let's get back into decluttering my house. When I'm going through everything, I'm not going to take everything out of the cabinets and drawers like I have in the past. I don't have that many things in here to begin with, so it's really easy for me to see everything and point out what I need and what I don't need. And for this cup cabinet specifically, I did take some things out because this was pretty full and I needed to see like all the cups that were in the back and on the top shelves. And there was just a lot more than I had expected. A lot has accumulated over time. So I'm just making it easy on myself and I'm taking out the things that are gonna help me kind of visualize everything that I need. You guys, let's just have some real talk for a second. I am the worst at keeping a clean house. I feel like my home is always a mess, and that honestly confused me because I feel like I just got rid of so much stuff. So why isn't my house clean? Well, after reevaluating my entire minimalist journey and contemplating if I just wasted months of my time decluttering my house and getting rid of everything, I quickly realized that my stuff wasn't the problem. The problem was me. The problem was me. I thought that when I got rid of a ton of our extra stuff, that meant I wouldn't have to clean, I wouldn't have to pick up after ourselves. I mean, all this stuff is gone, so how could there possibly be any mess in our house? I thought I had done all this work for nothing, and I felt defeated, and I still kind of do, if I'm being honest, but in reality, all I had to do was keep up with that work. All I had to do was pick up after myself and my kids, and all I had to do was stick to it, but I don't know, I just couldn't. My mind was just so exhausted from going through each and every little thing that when I was finally done with my whole house, I was done. I didn't want to do any more work, so I just didn't. So my plan for simple living didn't fail me, I failed myself. So that is why we were here. We are going to try to change our entire mindset together, and I'm starting to realize that decluttering, cleaning, and just keeping up with your house is a lifestyle, it's not a task. So today we are starting over in the kitchen. We definitely don't have as much stuff as we used to, but it's still hard to maintain and to keep clean. So my goal is to go through every room in this house once again, but this time I want to make a plan as to how I'm going to maintain a clean space every day. I want to focus more on the mindset and how my ADHD brain thinks and how we can just overcome that and shift our thinking so we can just start living life easier. I'm really trying to work on, and let me know if I'm not the only person who does this, but I'm really trying to work on getting ready every single day, even if we don't have any set plans. So I kind of fall into the habit of just waking up, and if I don't get out of bed right away, and if I don't have any set plans, then I literally don't do anything. I don't change my clothes. Sometimes I don't brush my hair for a few days, and I just kind of fall into a depressed state, and I don't want to do anything. I don't want to go anywhere. And it's because I'm not ready, and I'm not ready to do anything for the day. I'm not ready to tackle my day. So I've noticed that when I actually get up and get ready, I get more done, and it makes me want to do more, even if I don't have anything on the agenda for that day. So I'm not talking about putting makeup and stuff on. That's great for sometimes, but for me, realistically, I don't want to wear makeup every day. So getting ready, it can be as simple as taking a shower, washing my face, brushing my teeth, doing my hair, and changing out of my PJs. Even if that means wearing sweats and being comfy, that's actually what I prefer. If I take the time to get out of bed and make a start to my day by having a routine and getting myself put together, it's only gonna make me wanna go places and get more things done. We're on the tail end of cleaning here. We already did everything in the cabinets. That was so quick and so easy because we've done it once before. The second time we do it is always gonna be way quicker. So now I'm just gonna finish everything up. I'm gonna wipe down all the counters. I cleared off that table. I also just picked up the family room really quick, and I just made sure that this whole room is clean because you might as well just finish it out 100%. If you're gonna clean one thing, clean the whole thing, you know? You might as well. Turning my robot vac mop on because I absolutely hate vacuuming and mopping. It's the worst thing in the world. So I highly recommend to get one of these things if you don't already have one. If you're like me and hate doing that, this thing will save your life. I just turn it on every day after I clean, and it actually works so well. But here's an after of what all the cabinets are looking like. There are a few dishes that are in the dishwasher that are dirty that still need to go in these cabinets. But for the most part, this is what we are living with, and this is what we have. Okay, we're done. The kitchen is clean. It feels so good. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Don't forget to check out Ritual. I have a link for them down below in the description box, and you can use my discount code to save some money as well. You guys are the best. If you're new here, I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me how your minimalism decluttering journey is going, if you've started yet, if you're thinking about starting. Tell me all the deets. I love to know. I truly love chatting with you guys about it. We will see you in a few days in a new video. Bye.